Alright, so in the previous video we have seen what is CSS and what it actually does. So just a quick recap. So basically CSS stands for cascading style sheet and it is used to define the design for web pages. Now there are three methods through which we can include CSS on your web page. So in this video we are going to discuss the first method, that is called as inline CSS. So let's get started. So inside the body tag, let's put a h1 header, and let me just put a random text inside this h1 tag to CSS school. CSS school, which is actually true. Let's just save it and refresh it. So this is how h1 look like. It is big and it's black in color. Okay, so now to apply inline CSS to this h1, what we have to do is we will use an attribute that is called a style. Let's say I want to change the color of this h1 to red. So for that I just have to write this particular statement. Now let me explain you what the statement actually does. So basically inside the style attribute you have to provide a key value where, so on the left hand side you have to provide a property name followed by then on the right hand side you have to provide a value, that particular property. So in my case color was the property. Like I wanted to change the color of this h1, so it is placed on the left hand side followed by coolant, and on the right hand side I have provided a color red. So let's just save it and refresh it. Great, my h1 has changed to red color. Okay, now let's say I want to increase the size of this h1. So for that what I will do, I will use the property that is called as font size, and I will set it to 100 pixel. Now on thing that is to be noted is this is separating our multiple properties. So if we have multiple properties, so we have to place the semicolon, then we can place multiple property in our style attribute. Let's just save it and refresh it. Okay, so you can see the size of this h1 has increased to 100 pixel. Now a quick challenge for you. So just include some text on this web page and try to change the color of the particular text. So just pause the video and go for it. Well, I hope you managed it. That was a easy one. So let's put a paragraph tag and let's some random text. Okay, let's just save it and refresh it. So we got some random text, and in order to change the color of this paragraph text, what we have to do, we have to put some style tag or style attribute inside the paragraph tag, and then we just have to provide a key value pair. So let's change the color to green. Let's just save it and refresh it. So you will notice that the color of this paragraph tag has changed to green. So don't worry, in the upcoming video we are going to study about these type of properties in the details. So there are many different kind of property that we can apply in our cascading style sheet. So that was all about the inline CSS. We can apply inline CSS with the help of style attribute, and we have to place the style attribute inside the tag for which we want to modify the design. So in the next video we are going to see about the internal CSS. We see you in the next one.